everybody, welcome. So I saw this company, they sell clothes, and they kept styling their outfits with this little very cute waist bag. And I wrote to the company and I was like, you know, I don't see you sell this on your site. You keep styling. They had the black one, they had the white one, they had the burgundy one, they had the green one. And I'm like, if you keep styling your clothes with this, maybe you should also sell the bag. And they replied to me, if you wish to be an influencer, please email us at, and I was like, anyway, whatever. So I decided to get the pieces and make one very similar. So I went on to Amazon, of course, and it was a belt with a chain, but this was a part that I wanted. So this cute little pouch here would be, I guess, the waist part of my bag. So just something really small. I know, it can't hold anything, maybe a little bit of money on a credit card, but anyway, this will be the little bag section. Then the actual waist belt part, I'm going to use this waist belt here. I need to figure this out because I bought these pieces quite some time ago. Okay, so let me put this on. Alright, so then we want, how this gonna look like so? Is that what I want? Or I want it more here, like so? String is throwing me off. Like that. So then there's nothing to that. What kind of video is this? Alright, then if you notice now, the little black pouch here has a silver button, and then this is gold. So I went on to Etsy and I just got me a little Chanel button there, and I clipped off the back. You know, the back that has a loop that you sew into it. So I will just, it's not lying very flat though. Oh, but yes, the stain is very good. It's a button. Oh, that looks so nice. Look at that. It looks nice. Alright, so let's figure out how do we attach this onto this. Let's just pass it through here. So you know, sometimes you have to take your hand, make fashion. Sometimes you may not be able to afford, you know, some of the nice little things that you see. Or sometimes it's not available to you. So you just have to make it. And then what I'll do is after this, after I put the belt together, I'm going to style it. Because I have in my head how I want to wear this belt. This is very simple. I thought there'd be more to this video. Have the little pouch, yeah. That looks too loose, but if I'm wearing it with a onesie, then it will be fine. Or I could tighten this part. Alright, so my waist is a little narrow, so what I'm going to do is just move this over. We're just going to do a little minor fixing just to tweak for the size. Because I find that when you have a garment, when you have anything at all, once it fits properly, then it will look more polished, it will look more expensive and bougie. So let me do that. All right, let's try this again. Okay, that's a little better. All right, so that's it for my little bag. And now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to stick this button onto here, not only to hide the little silver button, but also to add, like, you know, some fancy with my little Chanel button. Yeah, I'm gonna have to build up some glue though, because it's not, this button is not completely flat. Actually, let me use my pliers and pull off some more in the back. There we go. Alright, so the glue I'm going to be using today is hopefully not dried up. So I'm going to be using some B6000. This glue is excellent. The container it comes in is not that great because it is always drying out. It's always, yeah. But it will hold everything in place and for a very long time. It dry out. So I'm going to put a nice glove on there. This might be a little bit too dried out here. Let me just put some more. I don't think this is gonna work, you know. This looks like it's a bit too dried out. Anyway, let's try. Stick on the button. Hopefully it don't drop off. There we go. Alright, and now I'm going to style this bag the way I saw it online, and I really wanted a little waist bag like this, and I decided to make my own. I'll put a link in the description to the things that I've used, and as you could see, it was really simple. Like, it was a little bit too simple. And then you can just use any little button that you want or a little brooch to jazz up the front of your bag. If I'd really thought about it, the same button here, I would have bought to stick on this piece here, just to kind of make it look a little bit more finished and a little bit more like it matches, a little bit more Chanel. All right, let me style this bag. I'll be back. Okay, so this was the look that I had in mind, just my black bodysuit. I actually just had to stitch it. It popped right here the last time I wore it. But here's the little bag. And I guess because the material is so slinky, it's not doing like a gap. But anyway, I think it looks really good. And then I can just, the button's still a little wet, but look. Oh, that's cute. Okay, so now let's accessorize. So I already have my hair in two, so I'm gonna make that work. And now let's pick some shoes. So we're doing black and gold. Maybe I'll play up on the gold a little bit. The only reason why I'm picking these shoes is because I can only wear them in a closet, because they're really uncomfortable. But I figure that the gold will look good, the gold, and then it has this little, I don't know. Most of my shoes dry rot though, you know. Most of my shoes dry rot in this pandemic because I'm not wearing them anywhere. Should I wear black or should I wear gold? All right, let's try one gold and one black, and let's see. So we got this black shoe, this gold shoe. All right. We need some zoom going on here. Do we like the black or do we like the gold? Let me look. I can't even see. You know what? I think I'm liking the gold. Black strappy. These are the shoes I wore the last time I had this on. Or the gold. Which I think the gold, because the gold picks up the waist belt. So let's put on the other shoe. Okay, that's it. Alright, so we have gold belt, black bodysuit. Where am I going? Anyway, and the gold shoes. So now we need to accessorize up at the top. I wouldn't do a chain simply because we have this strap here. We already have something going on up at the neckline. So I'm just going to do some gold earrings, or I could do diamante earrings like how the shoe has now introduced that crystally rhinestone. So let's see. This thing is really holding me in, eh? Jeez, look how I look slim. Wow, no. I wonder if Sean can take me to dinner. Alright, I'm all ready to head absolutely nowhere. So I put in these cute little gold hoops, like a tri-hoop, I guess. And then I just paired it with this bracelet that almost looks like a nail. It has like a little diamond there. And I have the matching ring. So the diamonds or the rhinestones in the ring and the bracelet match the rhinestones in the shoe. And then I think this looks really good. I'm gonna try see if I can get this to sit down a little bit. You see how it's supposed to kind of go like that? Let me fiddle with it without making the button fall off. Is there anywhere to go? Yeah, Coronaville. Alright, so this is my evening time look. I don't know where I'm going. But anyway, this is the little bag that I made. And this was the idea that I had to match it with a black bodysuit and just have it look really cute. And that's it. Okay, so still talking about my cute little bag. I have on just a, what's it? It's a little onesie. It's a little bit more casual. And then put on my waist bag that I made. There we go. And then I don't know what shoes I'd wear with this. I just paired it with some little knobs. I wear these almost every day. And then let's see. Oh, maybe I just wear it with these slippers. Okay, hang on. So yeah. Oh, we're doing the so designer. So I have these cute little Versace rubber, whatever, and then I have my Chanel mini pack here, and then I can go to like a beach party or a river or just look cute. This is a totally mindless video. There's no point in this video. But you know what? I don't know if you've noticed my mood. I'm a little under the weather. So if you could drop a like, and say something nice. I'm not having a great day. But okay. And that's it. That's it for today. That's it. There isn't any more. I don't know what I don't know what more. I don't know what more. Like I've given my all to my YouTube channel and I have nothing more to say. What more do you need to know? I'm now teaching you how to make stuff. I used the little palette I got at EC Makeup Bar. Okay, guys, so that's it for my video today. Just, made a little belt here and then showed you two different ways to accessorize it or dress it up. This is my little belt. It's so cute. This is the cheap Chanel. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed my video and I will see you next week. Maybe you could drop a comment down below. What kind of content would you like to see me do? What would you like to see me talk about? And I will give that to you next week. Bye guys.